Hey everybody, hope you are staying warm. Apparently, I am in the warmest part of the country and it is still chilly. It is cold in Miami, probably not as cold as other places I know, but we're suffering. Believe it or not, we're suffering. We're not used to 50-degree weather. Um, but that being said, we're going to talk about an area that I don't think gets really any attention with small businesses. You don't see this talked about a lot. And I think it's something that can be really super beneficial to small businesses. So, we're going to talk about internal controls, which it, I don't know. It's an area that I think it needs more attention. It definitely does. From the accounting world and the business world, with small businesses, we need more attention on internal controls. So that's why we're going to dive into that today. And yeah, let's just get to it. Yeah. So, hi, I'm Bette Hochberger, CPA, CGMA. And it's tax time. And part of what makes tax season so stressful for small business owners is that they're not prepared. If you put off your bookkeeping and accounting until this time of year, right? So the whole year finished, it's January, you're like, oh crap, I have to do my taxes soon. I better do my bookkeeping and my accounting. Well, now you don't have financial reports and we have a whole year's worth of catch up work to do. What this is really indicative of is your business's ineffective accounting processes, otherwise known as internal controls. So, internal controls, not something that we talk about very frequently with regard to small businesses. And for anyone who doesn't know what they are, they're basically the processes and procedures that help ensure your financial information is accurate and secure. Having internal controls can help businesses in a multitude of ways. Preventing errors and fraud. This is probably for small businesses, probably one of the biggest things, right? Having internal accounting controls means that you have a system of checks and balances across different people. Mistakes can be found and corrected quickly, and very importantly, it becomes much harder for someone to steal without being noticed when they know their work is being checked. Accurate financial reporting, tax time, right? This is going to go so much more smoothly when you've got nice, clean, prepared, correct financial reports to hand to your CPA to prepare tax returns. And here's a bonus, you're also less likely to overpay on your taxes because the information is correct. Building trust. Having strong internal controls builds trust with creditors, investors, lenders, all those sorts of folks, because it shows that you're taking your financial responsibilities very seriously. So, let's talk about what are a few easy to implement internal controls for your business. Segregation of duties. This means that you split up your financial and accounting responsibilities across different people. You want to make sure that there is separation between certain roles, such as the person recording the transactions should not be the same as the person reconciling the bank account. Authorization process. Create a dollar amount where an employee needs to have a purchase authorized by an owner or a manager so that there's no surprise, look, we bought a car on the company company bank account or something like that. Obviously that's an extreme example, but the authorization process lets you catch things. And reconcile and review. Regularly reconcile bank statements and bank accounts, and then review the resulting financial reports, which will help you catch any problems very early on. So, does this sound overwhelming to you? Does it seem like, oh my God, Bet, how could we possibly set this up with ourselves? We're not accountants, we're not CPAs, we don't know. Well, the good news is we are here to help. And here's some of the ways that we can help you and your business with internal controls. So, designing internal control systems tailored specifically to your business. Helping you implement segregation of duties, which I have said it multiple times, it's important. Training and supporting your staff to be able to operate within these processes and procedures, regular monitoring, and some internal audits, right? Sounds like a scary word, audit, but it really just means it's a checkup. Compliance and risk management, right? Knowing, I'm a tax person, knowing when you're in compliance with tax deadlines and thresholds and reporting requirements, and making sure you're not at risk for things like penalties that nobody likes. And financial reporting and analysis. That's a whole field into itself, financial reporting analysis. So, if you for 2025 are ready to level up your business finances with some internal controls, please reach out, schedule a meeting. We are here to help you. We have a lot of experience in these various areas and can work with your business to make sure that you don't have to worry. I mean, you might have to worry about some things, but you're not going to have to worry about your internal controls. And we'll see you next time.